In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Cite This For Me Google Chrome extension to make your research process more efficient and organized. Citation is a crucial aspect of any research project, and it's essential to give proper credit to the original authors of the sources you use. The Cite This For Me extension offers a simple, automated way to create citations quickly and accurately without disrupting your workflow. The first step is to navigate to your source. Suppose you have an article or a web page that you'll need to reference in your research. Open this page in your Chrome browser. This tool works right from your browser, allowing you to seamlessly integrate citation creation into your browsing process. Once you're on the web page you'd like to cite, look over near your address bar. There you should spot the Cite This For Me icon. It's usually placed on the right-hand side of the address bar. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will prompt a pop-up window to appear, bringing us to the next part of the process, choosing your preferred citation format. Whether your paper or project requires MLA, APA, or Chicago style, the extension covers a wide range of formats to cater to various academic requirements. Simply select the style that your work requires from the list provided. Being able to choose the correct format effortlessly helps maintain consistency throughout your paper, which is important for adhering to academic standards. After selecting your citation style, the extension will do the heavy lifting for you. It automatically generates the citation for the web page you are working with. This precision and speed are part of what makes Cite This For Me such a handy tool. There's no need to manually input information or worry about missing details. The software gathers all the necessary details itself, creating a citation based on the style you've chosen. The next step, and the last one in this process, is very straightforward. Look for a copy button within the pop-up window where your citation is displayed. Once you click this button, you'll be able to paste the citation directly into your document or research notes. This functionality is especially useful during intense research sessions where you're juggling multiple sources and verifying your arguments. Having a reliable citation just a click away saves time and helps maintain the flow of your work. As you can see, the Cite This For Me Chrome extension streamlines the process of creating perfect citations, allowing you to focus more on the content of your work rather than the citation formatting. By integrating this tool into your research routine, you can ensure that your academic work remains both credible and well cited. Thank you for watching, and happy citing.